reactors, ParaReact, welcome back to the reaction video. So I'm going to react to a video that someone requested me to react to. Like, when, for some reason, I don't know if anyone else gets this, but every time when someone sends a video to me on Twitter, it doesn't tell you the title. I mean, I know Twitter has had like a new update, but I don't know if that's actually, if I'm the only one that is experiencing it, but I don't know. That's basically how it goes. When someone requests me a video on Twitter, it doesn't tell me the description or the video about it. So, yeah, really, I don't know what this is. So, yeah. Without further, so what I went onto the video is called The Deepest Meow in the World. Okay. So yeah, without further ado, let's do this.
This is Jack. His voice is a little deeper than most cats. Hey, buddy.
Oh my god.
You say hi? You say hi? Oh. Boy.
How can you have a cat that does? How can you have a cat that has a deep meowing voice? Oh my god. Oh my god. I honestly wouldn't even play that over and over again. Oh, I think I see that on Snapchat, or was it a different cat? It's stuck in my head right now. Honestly, it's stuck in my head. Oh, yeah, that's the video. I hope you reacted and enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below on what videos you want me to react to next. Share this video. Subscribe for reaction videos every day, Monday to Saturday, sometimes on a Sunday, and I'll see reactors in the next video. Bye.